All right, beautiful day. We're out here trolling. Oh, there's David. That's Craig. Of course, I'm Gary. Let's see what we can catch out here.
Yeah, that's not it.
Yeah, right there, right there. Now let him grab the weight.
Same thing.
Spanish Mackerel. Spaniard, yeah, that's a keeper too. All right.
How big they go?
12 inches. Another one in the cooler.
Yeah, we see guys.
Look at that sucker's teeth. Okay, now ratcheted it up. All right, he's got one. See what he's got, probably another Spanish. Blue, if you could help him. All right, that's probably good. Now walk towards the front. We might end up with a whole mess of them. We got 4 now. Pull it fast, pull it fast. Yeah, we'll measure him, but I'm pretty sure that one's big enough. Oh yeah, he way past 12. Take a second. Okay, now ratchet it. There you go. Now I get it. This is what we caught the other ones. Yeah, the first ones. All right. There you go, Craig. You caught it. You got here for sure. But we'll figure it out. Run it faster, yeah, run it a little bit faster. 4.8. Remember, don't wind your thing up in the field. Over the crest. There you go. I saw that bite. Okay. Here. Yeah, you got something.
Got a jerk on my line.
Yeah, black bass. Got to be 13, I believe. That wasn't 13.
I got your mother-in-law.
Yeah. Oh, that's a ring. That's a big one too. Another ringtail porgy. Spot tail, some people call them. If you catch a white bone porgy with that size, we're keeping that for certain. You got one? Got something, don't you? Black bass. What you got? Black bass.